Gold against US dollar. In the yesterday, we can see how the price has created a bullish candle here right at the resistance 2329.13, where we have a confluence of resistance because of this downtrend trend line, which is currently acting as stronger resistance on the daily time frame, and we have here a horizontal resistance level, which is a weekly resistance level, which is also a strong level here. Here on the weekly time frame, we can see that the previous week has closed with this bullish candle with small body, and currently we have the price jumping up and down currently on the yesterday, and currently today is still active. This day has started with a bearish movement because the price has started here and currently it is right here at this spot. Now, where the price will move, what is the next levels that we could see? What is currently very important is that the price needs to have a clean breakout. Will the price manage to make a bullish breakout, meaning going up and closing the day above these levels, which is currently 2334.43, or the price will make a bearish breakout where the price will try to intend and try to move below 2321.42. These are very important levels currently for the price, which will eventually show where it is the next strength. Is the strength from the bulls who are pushing the price higher, or the strength is from the sellers, the bears, who will push the price even more down. Now, for all of these levels, we will see how the end closes, but yesterday the day has closed as a bullish candle, which is also one of the signals that the bulls are much stronger. We can see that these wicks on the upper and the lower side have shown the fight between the buyers and the sellers, and currently at the end of the day the buyers have ended stronger than the sellers. Now, how this day will close, where the breakout will happen, this is something that I will watch on the lower time frames, where I share on the 4-hour time frame and the 1-hour time frame, where I share the details with the traders inside the Telegram group when this breakout happens, and also what is the target. You can see yesterday that there was a bullish target on the 1-hour time frame where the price has gone from here to here, the target was reached. This has been shared inside the Telegram group with the traders. There is also a possibility to comment on this topic, on this analysis, so if you would like to check the Telegram, it will be below in the description. Now, here on the chart, on the daily time frame, we'll see how the day closes. It's very important to see, will the price manage to go out of these very important support and resistance levels. We'll see how the day closes, because the daily candle close will show us much more information where the next movement will follow. This is all for this day. See you next time and happy trading.
That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and a happy trading.